everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to make some resin druzy coasters again. It's been a while since I made these coasters, and I'm going to use 2 layers of resin because I want to create some nice rose flowers. And by using 2 layers, hopefully I can create some nice depth. But first I'm going to add chameleon mica pigment onto the druzy edge, only on the higher parts. And normally I use a chameleon mica pen for that, but now I'm going to use pressed chameleon mica pigment. You can see it already. And this is also one of my own mica pigments. You can find it in my Etsy shop. It's number 553. And this color shifts from green to blue. And I'm using sponge pens for that. Also, these pens you can find in my Etsy shop. And I think they are very easy to use. On the tip of this pen is a little sponge, and when you put the pen on top of that mica pigment, then you pick it up and then you can add it, in this case, in a silicone mold, but you can also add it on top of resin. I'm only going to add this on the side of the druzy edge, so not on the bottom. So now I'm going to mix my colors for the flower design. And I'm using a precision scale for that. There you can see it. And I'm going to add 20 grams of resin into my paper cup. And I'm using the resin from Dipon, the Art Flow resin number 6. And I'm going to add 2 drops of white pigment paste. And I'm using my own white pigment paste, the Moonlight White. Also, this one you can find in my Etsy shop. And because I'm only adding 2 drops because this color needs to be transparent to create a nice flower. There you can see it. You can still see the steering stick through the white color. And I'm going to use a second color for the flower design. I'm adding 10 grams in my paper cup. Yeah, it's a little bit more, but that's no problem. And I'm going to use the Elegem Resident Max Deep Sea. This is such a nice color. It's very sparkly. So I scrape the sides of my steering stick, and what's left on the stick I'm going to use for the color. So I'm going to pour my first layer. First I'm going to show you the temperature. It's around 31 degrees because I want for the flower design, I want temperature in between 30 and 35 degrees. So first I'm going to pour into the druzy edge. There you can see it. And then also on the flat side of the silicone mold. And the silicone mold I'm using is from Molds and Shapes. It's their Druzy Duo Coaster mold. And I think this mold is amazing. It was, for some time, it was not available in their web shop, but now it is again. So if you're interested in this mold, the link to it is in the description below this video. I also have a promo code. My promo code is JustPaint10. And if you use it, then you will get 10% discount on your total order. So that's amazing. So all the information is in the description. So this layer is very thin on the flat side of this mold. Going to add a little bit more because I want to use or add 2 resin layers. So the first color I'm using is from Dipon. It's an alcohol ink and it's color apple red. Going to add 3 drops in the center. Yeah, and I'm going to make my flower design. I like to use piping bags for this. This is also my first video for the Friendship Express collab. I was asked if I would join this collab, and of course I wanted to join. It sounds like a lot of fun. So every Saturday at 8:30 p.m. CET, my video for this collab will premiere. The playlist with the videos of all the other participants is in the description below this video. So if you are curious, please check that out because all the other artists create beautiful art pieces. So have fun watching all the other videos. This is really such a pretty color. At the end of the video, I'm going to show you a close-up. Then you can see the sparkle much better, but it's a very nice color. So now with my dotting tool, I'm going to spread the lines a little bit, or the blobs I created. Yeah, sometimes blobs are nice on the other side of the coasters because the other side is the good side, but I don't want too much. And now I'm going to swirl through the colors or circle through the colors from the outside to the inside. And hopefully I've created some nice petals now. So this is 1 hour later. And you can already see the sparkle. And it did bloom. I like the colors very much. Yeah, so far it looks promising. But yeah, you will never know because yeah, it can change a lot during drying time. Yeah, it looks pretty. Could see the chameleon micropigment on the druzy edge. Very nice. So I will let this dry. And after this dry, I'm going to add a second resin layer. So the resin is dry. Now I'm going to add a second resin layer. I'm going to use again the Red alcohol ink from Dip-On in the center. I already added a thin layer of resin on top of the first resin layer. And all the way around, another color. This is the Intense Teal, also an alcohol ink from Dip-On. And I'm using the same resin, the Art Flow resin number 6. I love to use that resin. A little bit more red in the center. And then again, I'm going to make the flower design. I didn't show you how I mixed this. I did it the same way as earlier in the video. And the temperature was around 31 degrees. So also that is okay. So in some places, these coasters will be transparent because I'm not going to add another layer on top of this as a background color. I will leave them as they are. And again, I'm going to use the deep sea color, the sparkly blue-green color. Very nice. Yeah, for the people that just started with resin, I hope my tutorials are easy to follow because, yeah, I want to show you all the steps of the process of creating some nice resin coasters. If there is something missing in my tutorial, please let me know because I can add it. But I think I show you everything. So now again, I'm going to swirl through the colors, but now from the inside to the outside. There you can see it. To hopefully create a nice flower on the other side of the coasters. So this is 1 hour later. Yeah, you can't see a lot because it's almost all blue and also some sparkle in it. So hopefully these coasters will turn out okay on the other side because I can't tell if I look at them at now, but there will be transparent parts. I can see it because I can see it on the druzy edge. There is some blue color on the druzy edge, but also clear. So it's 24 hours later. Now I can take them out of the mold, and I'm so curious because I don't like this side. It's not that pretty. So hopefully on the other side I've more red color because in on this side you don't see the red anymore. Yeah, very dark in the center. There you can see the amazing mold. Yeah, this druzy edge is amazing. It's very detailed. So that's why the resin druzy edge is also very beautiful. It's all because of the mold. So now we can take a closer look. I always show you the druzy edge. There you can see it. Yeah, very pretty. Very nice. And now how does it look? Yes, much more red. It looks a little bit like a wild flower, a wild rose flower. But it's pretty. I think it's pretty. Now you can see that there are some clear parts on the druzy edge. I also like that. Again, the chameleon mica pigment. Yeah, you can only see the green, but later in the video you can also see the blue because you need to watch that color from different angles. Yes, very pretty. I'm very pleased with my druzy coasters. Very nice. Let me know what you think. Maybe you have some suggestions. Please let me know in the comments below this video. So this is the end result. One of the coasters outside in the daylight. Yeah, I'm very happy. I love the clear parts in the druzy edge. It's very sparkly and also the deep sea color is also very sparkly. Now I try to show you the chameleon effect. You can see the blue and the green. Very nice. Very pretty. So let me know what you think of my coasters. I'm really happy with them. Maybe you have some suggestions for colors to use. I would like to know that. Don't forget to watch the videos of all the other participants of the Friendship Express collaboration. It's so much fun to watch also all those videos. I want to thank you all for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!